Akande. This is a special Oriki given to a child that you feel has a special purpose on earth. Akande. There are two key words in that name. The words kan and de. Kan means to do something intentionally. Tí bá ní mo kanlẹ̀ ṣe nǹkan, to do something deliberately, intentionality, purposefully. De means to arrive, to come. Therefore, an Akande is he who arrives purposefully, he who comes into this world intentionally. He who's being here is as a result of purposeful deliberation. Ọmọ tó kanlẹ̀ dé sílé ayé tàbí ọmọ tó kanlẹ̀ dé sínú ẹbí wa. That is the meaning of the Oriki, Akande, usually given to a male child. But it can also mean the child who has arrived in his own turn. Ọmọ tó dé nígbà tó kàn án. Akande, Wàá Ṣere.